Hi, welcome back. Welcome to this forecourt film for our absolutely beautiful 2015 Audi S5 Convertible. Under the bonnet is this 3-litre supercharged petrol engine with 330 horsepower. Absolutely stunning engine. Sounds absolutely beautiful and isn't actually too bad on a run when it comes to fuel economy and things like that. That's obviously not the main reason that you're buying a car like this. The looks are just absolutely sublime. We've not had one in silver before, and it's just a really lovely colour. I think it sort of accentuates a lot of the flowing lines down the side of the car. I think the bright silver wheels work extremely well with it, and again ties in quite nicely with some of the chrome accents as well. It's a car that's aged particularly well and is a really striking car to look at. We'll talk you through some of the features. This particular car has got a huge specification from brand new, around about £7,000 worth of factory options on it. So I'll try and sort of talk you through those as we go around the car. In terms of condition, it's absolutely beautiful. I think I've spotted one tiny little chip just down here that's been touched in. Otherwise, apart from a couple of very, very small stone chips that you would expect on a car, it's done 51,000 miles. Certainly nothing excessive whatsoever. All alloy wheels are completely unmarked and in perfect condition. And yeah, there's just nothing really to point out to you. Normally at this point of the video we would just sort of show you any small little chips or scratches or anything like that, but hopefully it's coming across well in the video that you can see the condition of the car is absolutely immaculate. It really is lovely. Obviously, being the S5, you've got the quad tailpipes on the back, the LED rear lights, and then the standard S high polished chrome mirrors. Then round to the front, the xenon headlights with the LED running lights, chrome grille in silver, again denoting that it is an S product. The wheels have been upgraded. These are the 20-inch design. I personally think they're my absolute favourite design for the S5. Really, really timeless design. Looks lovely and chunky on there, and the car sits extremely nicely as well. Eagle-eye viewers may have spotted down here, this is the radar for the cruise control. So it has adaptive cruise control, so it'll actually pick up the car in front of you while you're driving and slow you down, even bring you to a complete halt, and just maintain the same distance behind the car in front, which is a very, very nice safety feature to have. Elsewhere on the front of the car, you'll see we've got parking sensors front and rear. And then this particular vehicle has also been upgraded with the reverse camera as well, that you can see just there above the number plate. So full specification on the outside. It's also equipped with keyless entry, or advanced key as Audi call it. This basically just means that you can lock the car as long as you've got the key in your pocket, in your bag, or just somewhere on you and outside of the vehicle. You can lock the car just simply by pressing the button on the outside there, and then when you want to come back in, you just put your hand on the door handle and the car will unlock as well. Inside, it's the perfect combination, I think, with the silver. It's the black Napa leather, black silk Napa leather, rather, super sport seats, and this has been accentuated with the white stitching all the way around as well. It's a beautifully classy interior. We've got Alcantara suede on the doors as well. We've also got the Bang & Olufsen surround sound system. Again, another expensive option on this particular car. And then round to the back, we've also got heated seats, not only in the front but also in the back as well. So all 4 seats are heated. Storage package in place, so therefore you have the additional luggage nets or map nets in the back, and electrically adjustable seats in the front with driver side memory, and it'll remember the mirrors and everything like that as well. Power folding mirrors, again an upgrade. These are also the auto dimming mirrors as well, so you've got the little surround on there. Absolutely perfect condition on the inside in terms of all the trims, bits and pieces like that. Hardly any marks or anything to the side. Little bit of bolster wear just as you get into the car, as you would expect on these, but certainly not gone through at all. And again, presents really, really beautifully. Another upgrade, the 3-spoke multi-function flat bottom steering wheel, again with the white stitch. And you've got the silver trims in here instead of the darker ones, which again I think work really well with the interior. So it's been a very, very thought out and a very, very sort of classy interior, I think, in terms of the options that have been specified and everything like that as well. So yeah, really, really lovely indeed. As we'll see, the mileage today, 51,745. You've also got the advanced key start button there on the left hand side, so again, without having to, you don't have to put the key into the ignition slot up there. You can just again have the key in your pocket or on your person, put your foot on the brake and then start the engine. Controls for the roof up there, obviously it's a fully electric roof. We'll put it up in a second and then obviously just show you the car with that up in place as well. We've got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. We've also got lane assist that you can see just poking over there on the indicator stalk, and then all of your multifunction controls there for media and navigation and things like that up on the steering wheel, and the really lovely silver paddle shift as well. Jumping in, we've got the S5 dials in grey. Again, all of the S products have had that sort of set up over the years, so it's nice to see them still there. Advanced cruise control, so this is the control for that, and this basically is the section here that you can change the distance that you're following the car in front. So that's basically how that's all configured, and then it works in the same way as normal cruise control on top of that. Up to here we've got the reversing camera. This has got the guidance lines on it as well, so you can just turn the wheel and it'll show you where the car's going to end up as you're reversing. Nice sort of high definition display up on there. Also, this is the full screen here for the infotainment system. So we've got DAB digital radio as well as FM and AM stations, and also medium wave and long wave as well, but also DAB. And then you've also got Bluetooth media streaming on here, as well as the Audi music interface, which is a plug-in for like a physical device, but a lot of people nowadays would probably just use the Bluetooth audio streaming. And then this is also a DVD player down here as well, and you can put SD cards with music on, but you can stream things like Spotify and podcasts and all that kind of stuff through the main screen, so that's all very, very useful. Down to here we've got the drive select, so this will actually change the driving mode that you're in, which is also fully configurable up on this screen as well. I'll show you that now just so we can do it all in order. So yeah, you've got different driving modes dependent on obviously how you're using the car at the time, for anything from efficiency, comfort. Auto will obviously work out how you're driving, so if you start driving quite briskly everywhere, it will automatically put it into a dynamic mode. And then you've got individual, which means that you can come in here and make individual changes to how the gearbox is set up and engine sound and things like that as well. It's got a really lovely raspy sound to the exhaust. Sounds lovely when you get up into the power band and it's changing gear and things like that. We've also got a full control panel for the car, so we just pop into here. This is basically a bit like a control panel on your computer. It just means that you can set preferences for everything that you want in there. Also, the driving assistance page will give you all of the additional safety features that this particular car has got. Adaptive cruise control we've already covered off. Audi braking guard, again, will warn you if somebody steps out in front of you, or if somebody stops fast in the motorway in front of you. We've got the lane assist that I mentioned, and the rest of it's all pretty standard. Servicing and checks, come in here, check things like the oil level and the tyre pressure monitoring, and then it will also give us information on the next service that is due. So we will be doing an inspection service before the car goes, including an oil change as well, so there'll be nothing for the new owner to do whatsoever. Full satellite navigation for the whole of Western Europe, very nice and easy to use, takes full postcodes, has places of interest and things like that as well, and a number of different views. So again, that's quite a nice feature. That's all part of the technology package that this car has got, and I think that pretty much covers off most of the things on there actually. The bits and pieces, dual zone climate control, so separate temperatures for driver and passenger, and also different vents in the back as well, so you can actually control those hot and cold as well. So it's essentially 3-zone climate control. 3-stage heated seats, again front and back, and then all of the controls and everything like that for the climate control is there, nice and cold. Rest of it, hill hold assist, stops you from rolling backwards. And if we just use the roof button, you will see it's just a press and hold, where there's no clamps or anything like that to put in. I love the fact that they've integrated the rear reading lights into the roof there. That's quite a cool touch. And you will see all of that. Clip into place, beep to tell you that it's done, and then signify by the windows all shutting, that it's all been closed in and done properly. But yeah, looking around the interior, absolutely nothing really to point out in terms of anything that's sort of over the top wear or anything like that. It is absolutely beautiful in here. Really lovely. I've always loved the interior design on this. It's a very, very elegant cabin. I'll just show you the car outside with the roof open, or closed even. And it's a really nice, very, very tight fit. You can't get anything into there at all. Roof itself in fabulous condition. And it's actually a pretty good looking car with the roof up as well. They've managed to keep a really nice sort of coupe shape to it, I think. So it looks pretty good. And you can see the daytime running lights now illuminating up on there as well. I hope you found the video useful. If we can help with any further information, if you require any finance figures or you have a part exchange to value, then do please contact us through our website, which is jajarvis.co.uk. We'd be more than happy to help and would love to be able to show you the car in person. Thank you very much again for watching, and we'll see you next time.